On April 14th, 2025, the day after the grand opening of the World Expo 2025 in Osaka, Turkmenistan's National Day took place. Our country became the first among the participants to present its achievements within this large-scale international platform. The Turkmenistan pavilion featured thematic exhibitions reflecting the country's rich cultural heritage and modern achievements. Visitors could explore traditional crafts, national cuisine, and innovative projects demonstrating Turkmenistan's commitment to sustainable development and technological progress. The National Day opening ceremony was accompanied by speeches from honored guests and a cultural program featuring traditional dances and musical performances. Special attention was paid to the theme of Expo 2025, designing future society for our lives, in the context of which Turkmenistan presented its initiatives in ecology, education, and digitalization. Turkmenistan's participation in Expo 2025 underscores its commitment to active engagement on the international stage and demonstrates its readiness to contribute to global efforts in building a sustainable and inclusive future.